How to customize ZOHO CRM. First, log into your ZOHO CRM account. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard, which is your home page. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see a tab that says Home. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you should see an option called Customize Home Page. Click on that to start making changes. On the right side of your screen, there's a button that says New Home Page. Click that to begin creating your own layout. To add some useful widgets, look on the left side and click on Dashboard. Then, click on Choose Dashboard. For this example, let's pick some widgets that show important data. Click on Org Overview. Next, click on Leads this month, Revenue this month, and Deals in Pipeline. As you click on each one, they'll appear on the right side of your screen. Next, let's set up a custom view. Click on Custom View, then choose Module. In this case, we'll select Tasks. After choosing the Tasks module, you can add specific views. Click on All Locked Tasks and My Today's Tasks to include them in your homepage. These will also show up on the right side. Now that everything is set up, it's time to name your homepage. At the top of your screen, there's a field where you can type in the name you want. Go ahead and do that. Once you're happy with the setup, click on the Save and Share button in the upper right corner. A pop-up will appear where you can add a description of your homepage if you want. You can also share this customized homepage with others. Just click on Add, hover over the role of the person you want to share it with, and then click Add again. After that, click on Save to confirm your choices. You might have to click Save one more time to finish. To see your new customized homepage, go back to the Home tab at the top left corner of your screen. Then, click on your Home tab in the upper right corner again, and select My Dashboard. And that's it. You've now customized your ZOHO CRM homepage to better fit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.